Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I've got my base done, so just my foundation and powder and my eyebrows, and I've got some lips on because I felt like I was totally washed out. I wanted to do a little haul and then actually use the products in the video as well. So I placed an order online on bhcosmetics.com, and actually the shipping was rather quick. I think I got it within like 3 or 4 days, which is fantastic. I don't remember what I ordered, but I do know that I've ordered a couple of eyeshadow palettes, so that's what I want to use. Plus I want to do something for Diwali, as Diwali is literally like around the corner, so I'm super excited. So I thought I would do like a little quick get ready with me for Diwali and stuff. This is just like a simple go-to look that I have in mind at the moment. God knows what's going to happen once we start playing with the colors and stuff, but I do have to leave in the next 30 minutes. So this should be fun. And I think it should be simple because I have to leave that quick. Everything on my face, I'll list it down below. So without wasting time, let's get started with the haul. Okay, so this is all that I ordered. The reason why I placed the order in the first place was because I wanted to get a few brushes, and I ordered a bunch of things for free shipping. I did not realize that that was US dollars, and altogether I think I paid about 124 Aussie dollars, about 125. So the first thing coming out of it is the concealer and corrector palette. This is a 6-color palette. This is in the shade medium, and that's what it looks like. I am gonna have to use this in another video because I've already got my concealer and stuff on. So the next thing I have is the base booster. This is for, like, it's a glitter glue. Okay, it's a glitter and shadow glue, so I'm assuming it would be good for like those shimmery shadows, I guess. I really like the packaging. It is very it's very luxurious of sorts. Next up, I got the Glitter Collection Loose Glitter. Oh yeah, I remember. So that's what that looks like. It's a beautiful, like, orangey. This is literally just glitter. Oh, this is literally just like, see? That is just chunky glitter. And then I got this brush set. I'm not going to use this today because I do want to give it a little bit of a clean before I start using it. But this one came with the stand, which I really like because it is marble. Yay! And the brushes also, they look very promising. Yeah, I'm so curious and so eager to use this. Okay, so the next thing that I ordered are the 13-piece brush set as well. This is their Pro line, Studio Pro line, and these are all the brushes that come in this case. So, and they come in the plastic one. So this one wasn't with the stand. The next thing was the Studio, what is this? Studio Pro Contour Palette. This is their 10 color palette. So that's what it looks like. No mirror, but you actually don't need a mirror for this one. It's got like a powder, a banana shade, and then a whole bunch of contour shades, as well as I don't know if anything would be as a bronzer, but this is very close to like a powder, like a face powder. So, oh, excuse my hair, I'm letting it air dry, but I have it up with a hairband to kind of keep it out of my face while I'm doing my makeup, because that gets very annoying. But don't mind it otherwise. Why isn't this closing? Lastly, I picked up 2 eyeshadow palettes. I'm actually very excited about this. This is the Shaaanxo Remix palette. So I think this is the second one that she came out with. This is 18 shadows. I'm super excited to try these. These are these are shadows that I probably own in my collection, but I wanted to support her, and I'm a little late to the bandwagon, but I'm super excited to try this. So this does have a plastic sheet. So that's one side. Beautiful. I think I'm really like digging this pink. That's beautiful. It's very vibrant, very like magenta style pink, and that's also beautiful. It doesn't come off on the camera as beautiful as it is like in the pan right now. Gorgeous. So that's the other side. Again, these are like very everyday, very neutral colors that you can basically pull off for anything. We'll see if we use this or the other palette that I ordered. So the other one is this big palette. This is the 26 color shadow and blush palette. I was actually thinking I didn't order blush, but thank goodness. Although, from this packaging right here, these are very, very light shadows. So that's what that looks like. No mirror. Okay, so in the pan, this blushes look lovely. Excited to try that. And it comes with a sheet that tells you whether that's a matte, shimmer, metallic, soft shimmer. Yeah. So basically it tells you all the information on that plastic sheet. So it is up to you, like if you want to keep it, but like it's very self-explanatory when you look at the shadows. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this one. But for now, I'm first gonna start off with my face because I look very pasty. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the contour palette. I am going to go in with, the first shade right here. Okay, very powdery. But I'm using the e.l.f. blush brush. This is more like a bronzer. What do you guys think? I feel like it's more... Whoa, it's coming way darker on the camera. What? Okay, I'm gonna have to blend this thing out. But this is definitely more of like a bronzery color rather than contour. I'm just gonna go in with a light hand the rest of my face. That is super strong though, like super strong. I'm just gonna take my Stay Matte powder and use the same brush. Just sort of at least carve that out a little bit, bottom. Okay, and then I'm just going to literally buff this out. Thankfully, it's not moving my foundation. So that's a good thing. Much better. Much better. Same thing on this side. It blends out, so that's a good thing. But the fact that it is just like, it doesn't, like on camera, it's coming off way stronger than it is in person. I'm just going to go with a very, very light hand on for my nose contour, like super light hand if I can help it. I'm taking a super flimsy brush, going on the tip, and I'm just going to stamp this. I'll take the same brush by e.l.f. and just give it a good blend. Taking that for my double chin, very, very light-handed, and I'm barely just tapping into the palette now. So this is insanity. And then I'm just going to take the banana powder from this palette on this pointed tapered brush and apply that just a little bit under my eyes. Brighten it up a little bit. And a That's nice. I'm just going to prime my eyes with my Too Faced Shadow Insurance. I want to keep it simple today. So just taking that at the back of my hand, and then I'm just going to take a concealer brush and just apply that all over. And then just use my fingers to blend it out. I'm going to add blush now. For my blush, I'm going to use my e.l.f. blush brush, and I'll go in with this shade right here, the second one. That is a matte one, I believe. I'm going to tap off the excess and... okay. That's pretty. That is very pretty. I'm going in with a light hand just because I'm so scared after the contour thing. That is such a beautiful pink shade. Like, really. I'm going to use the same palette, and I'll start off with my big fluffy brush, and I'll use this second shade from the left, this pink one, and just apply that all over. Again, we're doing like a super simple Diwali look. And then I'll just go in with like a blender brush, and I'll go in with the shade, let's go with this one here. Placing that in the outer corner, and then taking it off. Let's go in with this this tiny brush. Go in with this pink right here, and just, oh, it's so pretty. So I guess we're doing totally pink today. Just applying that all over. This is so pigmented, like this is unreal. It is so pigmented. Just look at that. And then I'll just go back in with my blender brush again, and then I'll take this shadow once more, and then just place that in the outer corner, blend that in. And then just to deepen it up a little bit, I'm just going to go in with this shade right here. Just using that same brush. And just deepening the outer corner a little bit. And then I'll just go in with that, with a clean brush like that, and then go in with the first shade that we used. Just highlight my brow bone, and also blend out any harsh edges. Same thing on this side. I really need to get my brows done, or do them myself, but they need to be done. And then I'm just going to go in with this particular, like a small shader brush. I'm going to go in with this shade right here for my lower lash line. then going in with the second shade. And just smoking that out. And I'm just going to quickly line my eyes with my, I actually want a soft liner, so I'm going to take my Essence eyeliner pencil in brown and just it's like super close to the lash line. And then what I like to do is take a brush like that and then go in with like a brown eyeshadow. Actually, I'm gonna go in with this first shade right here and then just smoke out just a tiny bit. I'm not like actually smoking it out, I'm just tracing it on top to lock it in place and kind of give it like a nice, like a softer look. And then I'm just going to put my mascara. I'm using the Lash Sensational. I don't switch up my mascaras as much that often anymore. Alright, so my lips are already on. For my lips, I'm wearing the Tarte mini lipstick in Decory. And then I've paired it up with my L'Oreal First Nude. I'm going to add my highlight. Because we have everything pink going on, I'm going to actually use the Tourmaline highlight from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm actually going to use my fan brush for it. Perfect. And then I'm just going to use, oh, damn it. I'm going to use this for my inner corner as well. Just like so, and maybe just a tiny bit on my brow bone. Okay guys, I think my camera cut off, but I set everything in place with my MAC Fix Plus. It's still drying a little bit, but I thought I would come on here and show you guys the final look. I think it's a very nice, soft, subtle makeup for Diwali. It would be beautiful on like an Indian outfit with like a bindi and stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. And I also really just wanted to try everything that I got from BH Cosmetics today. So I didn't touch it since the box arrived and I was like itching to try it. But yeah, it's a very nice soft look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video and thank you so much for tuning in. Please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!